Magandang araw sa lahat, welcome po ulit dito sa atin channel ang Biyahe y Komida. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Punta tayo sa atin topic, June 24, 2025. Atasha Mulak, lumabas ang pagkamakulat sa taping ng Bad Genius. Atasha Mulak, kinabahan sa unang serious role niya. Naganap ang unveiling ng official poster ng Philippine adaptation ng Bad Genius sa Viva Cafe sa Cubao, Quezon City, ngayong Martes, July 24, 2024. Ang Bad Genius ay ang 2017 blockbuster Thai thriller movie na pinagbidahan ni Chu Taiman Changcharoen Suking. Si Atasha Mulak ang bida sa Pinoy version na mapapanood sa Viva 1 simula sa July 17. Co-stars niya rito sina Jerez Aquino, Hyacinth Tolada, at Gab Lagman. Gagampanan ni Atasha sa Bad Genius the series ang karakter ni Lin. Ang taping ng kanyang serye ang sinasabing dahilan kaya hindi muna siya napapanood bilang co-host ng Eat Bulaga, ang noontime variety show ng TV5. Ikinwento ni Atasha sa unveiling ng official poster ng Bad Genius ang kabang nararamdaman sa pagganap niya sa isang seryosong proyekto sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon. Siyempre naman, kinabahan ako, pagtatapat ni Atasha. Pero natuwa siya dahil pinalakpakan ng entertainment media ang ipinakitang trailer ng Bad Genius. Saad niya, it was a big shift from coming from Eat Bulaga and to now doing a serious project. But nonetheless, like I said before the past reveal, with a project like this, his was just a great opportunity and a great blessing that I would never ever take it for granted. And I can happily say now that we've been taping, that we all gave our 100%. Itinuturing ni Atasha na mapanghamon ang lahat ng mga eksena niya sa Bad Genius. Everything was challenging, but I always believe in the saying that nothing good comes easy. So you always have to give it your best and always putting your heart in the work that you do. Going into this project, we never had the mindset of how are we going to hit that mark as the other remakes. It's more of let's just embrace the Pinoy culture of family, friendship, and how we go through struggles for our own morality choices. And I hope that reflects in Bad Genius. And also, I think, more importantly, we all gave 100%. We gave our best and we hope that you guys enjoy that. Ibinahagi ng direktor ng Bad Genius na si Derek Cabrido ang tungkol sa pagiging handa ni Atasha sa taping ng kanilang proyekto. Nakikita ko yung script niya. Yung tipong, uy, wala ng space. So, alam ko lang na dahil prepared siya sa buong series at alam ko lang na inaral niya, to the point nga minsan tinatanong ko, uy think mine mentor ka ng papa mo, di ba, saka ni mommy mo. Parang may ganoong aspect, hindi ko alam kung nagwo-workshop sila as a family or what. Alam ko lang prepared siya. Si Atasha ay anak ng mga artista ring sina Aga Mulak at Charlene Gonzalez. May kwento rin si Cabrido tungkol sa madalas na panliliber ni Atasha ng Dynamite lumpia sa set ng Bad Genius. Lahad ng direktor, laging may Dynamite na umiikot tapos lahat kami kumakain ng Dynamite kahit anghang na lahat ng mga tao. Kapag tinanong, kanino galing ito, kay Tash. Ang hilig niyang magpakain ng Dynamite sa set. Sobrang kulit, as in makulit, as in kulit, kulit. Sobrang bubbly. So, kahit mabigat, napapagaan niya. Saka alam mo agad, pagtuntong ng 7 AM o 7:30 AM, pag nandyan na si Tash, maingay agad sa set. Boses agad niya ang maririnig. Natawa si Atasha habang nakikinig sa mga pahayag ni Cabrido tungkol sa kanyang masayahing pag-uugali. Pagsang-ayon ng newbie actress, tama naman yung sinasabi ni Direk. Pero coming into the set, of course makulat naman ako during the breaks. Pero when it's time to work, it's time to work. And because I was with Direk, my first time, syempre kinakabahan ako. Pero Direk spoke to me and gave me advice from the first day of taping and I was able to take that advice until the very end which really helped. Dagdag pa ni Atasha, makulat talaga ako but, nonetheless, I was only makulat because you guys made me super comfortable to be myself. And I can't thank you guys enough for that.
Siyempre naman kinakabahan ako kasi first kong project, tapos it was a big shift from coming from media to now doing a serious project. But nonetheless, like I said before in the past review, with the project, this was such a great opportunity and a great blessing that I would never ever take it for granted. And I can happily say now that we've been taping that we all gave our 100% and we hope that you guys enjoy it.
Ano yung challenging na ginawa mo?
Sa totoo lang po lahat. Everything was challenging, but I always believe in the saying that nothing good comes easy. So you always have to give it your best, give it your all, and obviously put in your heart into the work that you do.
Yeah.
Abangan ang Pinoy version na mapapanood sa Viva One simula sa July 17 na gagampanan ni Atasha sa Bad Genius na series ang karakter ni Lynn. At yan ang atin latest showbiz chika update for today, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. Click the notification bell for more showbiz chika updates, like and share the video at suportahan po ang atin Facebook page. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, indeed. Magandang buhay sa lahat, adios!